Today, we are extremely elated to be a part of this event where upGrad goes live on SAP S4 HANA. Deloitte has been supporting upGrad on this critical program, working along with SAP to make this program a success. upGrad, which is a leader in this business of upskilling the workforce and getting them into newer skills, knowledge, and platform, we are pleased that Deloitte has been able to support the organization in building a platform which remains a unified source of truth for all their decision making, analytics, and end-to-end transaction purposes. Deloitte has been delivering SAP RISE programs by leveraging our global best practices, leveraging our assets, which includes pre-configured solutions, assets on BTP, and also taking expertise from other areas such as taxation, internal audit, controls, and in terms of leading business processes. We are pleased that at upGrad we have been able to visualize and help them visualize their end state, walk them through this entire transformation successfully, and ensure that there is a seamless and an on-time go live.
Hi, I am Rohit. I am the head of finance at upGrad. upGrad is a lifelong learning education company focusing on post K through 12 right up to when you retire, focused on outcome-based learning for the next generation. When we started, discussing about SAP, what was essential for us is that we were expanding both organically and inorganically, and the challenges we had to address were things like manual reporting, multiple entities and source of information, not a timely reporting and accuracy, etc., which was something which we found SAP to be the right source and started implementing on that. What we implemented were that there were 4 to 5 things which we went in SAP. One was definitely S4 HANA for the day-to-day operations and accounting, and then group reporting, SAC for reporting and planning, and success factors and Vim for some of the important cost elements, whether vendor or employee related payments. And that's where we chose Deloitte to kind of have an implementation, be as an implementation partner for all the different tools which we were wanting to implement. And Deloitte had the right experience for supporting on all of these to us. As I said, Deloitte has been a great implementation partner. While when we started, both Deloitte didn't had a lot of confidence on us because our scope was kind of changing, and we didn't have the confidence on Deloitte whether we'll be able to pull it within the timelines which we had. But eventually here we are in the timeline which we had planned for the progress. I guess we worked quite hard and the team was persistent, and especially Deloitte team pushed us a lot to kind of get within the timeline. So that was a kind of good experience overall, I would say. Three things I would say on that. Actually, it's never, kind of the right time to start an implementation of this scale, because you will never be ready. So, whenever you think is the right time from an organization point of view, just start it. Also, there will be various other operational related matters that would keep coming in between, but you have to trust the implementation partner and your team, and without kind of expecting the moon, just try to implement from what is practical and then try to build upon it. And the last thing would be that change is inevitable, so that is something which we should kind of embrace, and hence SAP is a change for good is all I can say. Initially it is tough, and in fact the journey is not yet over. We have to kind of work on it now. But the good part was that when we started initially, we started taking inputs from all the team members across the leadership group and cross-functional, and we also kind of socialized the implications, the advantages as well as the disadvantages. So everyone was aligned on the advantages of moving to SAP. That helped us to kind of set the expectations in terms of certain hiccups that could come at the time of implementation or during the implementation phase. So which helped us kind of to get the inputs also from them, but ultimately the inputs came in. We as a core team kind of took all the inputs and decided and moved along. Whatever were the differences, we were trying to align basis that. So basis the process which was kind of set up, we kept following that, which helped us to kind of bring everyone on the same page and also set the expectations right.